Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from the front and then tie two ponytails out of it. Take a section from both the sides of the ponytail and then join it up at the center at the back. Add multiple rubber bands to this. Then in the side make two braids and then join it all together in the ponytail at the bottom. Make a braid and then roll it up. Tie a bow once you're done. For our next hairdo, tie multiple rubber bands in the front of the hair. Then divide the rest of the hair into two portions. Take one section of one of the portions and then tie a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, take another section and tie one more rubber band to it. Do this until you reach the base. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Then add a ribbon through it. Divide the ponytail into two portions, take a portion of the ribbon and then make a braid out of it, using the ribbon as one of the sides. Do the same on the other side and then roll it up into the shape of a bun. Tie it up once you are done. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, take two sections of the front and make two ponytails out of it. Take a section from the back of the scalp and then tie it up. Once you are done with this, add all of them together and then tie it up together. Divide the rest of the hair into two portions and then make two ponytails out of it. For our next hairdo, take a section off the front of the hair and then make two braids out of it. Lift one of the braids up. Make it into a bow-like shape. Now add a rubber band to the middle of the other portion of the hair and tie it into a ponytail at the back. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Take a small section of this and then make a braid out of it. Tie a rubber band to it once you are done. Take the rest of the hair and add a rubber band in the middle of it. Using your fingers, loosen the strands of the hair. Repeat this process until you reach the bottom. Roll the bottom up and then tie it up. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 6 sections as such. Taking the front section, tie a rubber band to it. Make sure that the rubber band spans throughout the length of the hair, or at least for a very long distance. Now attach it to the bottom. Do the same with the bottom until you reach the base. Do the same on the other side. Add a braid at the bottom and roll it up. This is what it should look like. It should be a little bit bent. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 5 sections, one of them being incredibly big. Taking the smaller sections of the hair, add multiple rubber bands to them and then join it to the middle braid that there is. Roll up the braid and make it into a bun. Thank you for watching.